You can access Creative Cloud libraries right from within Dreamweaver to reuse colors and graphics in your web pages. Here I have a web page that we're looking at in live view. I want to do some color changes here. I'm going to make a selection of what color I want to use. Let's start with this. I clicked it. The minute I do that, it copies it to the clipboard. Edit. Quick tag editor. Note the quick key right here, Control T. Take this out. Select it. Hit Control V. Hit Enter. Let's look at another one. Copy to the clipboard by hitting click. Up here at the menu, hit Edit. Scroll down to Quick Tag Editor. Click that. Select the color. Hit Control V. Hit Enter. Pick a color by clicking it one time. Hit Edit. Scroll down to Quick Tag Editor. Select your color. Hit Control V. Hit Enter. Now, if you want to do that quicker, you can. Select your color. By clicking it one time, it copies it to the clipboard. You can just do the quick key, which we saw was Control T. Make your selection, hit Control V, hit Enter. If you go to Code View and do this, it's just as easy. Take your color out, hit Control Space Bar. This little icon right here tells you you're on the Creative Cloud library group or folder. This little icons are all your colors. And the little cloud icon indicates that it's the Creative Cloud library. And these are just the other codes that normally are there. It'll change it back for you. Pretty cool, huh?